The Supreme Diamond Indicator is a new tool for binary options based on the trend trading strategy. And it does not just generate signals on the chart, but offers its own unique effective method with additional signal filtering. This Supreme Diamond costs $15, and according to its developers, it can become a good assistant in trading even for beginners. Well, let's figure it out. And we remind you that you can download this indicator and our already configured template with the best parameters for trading on our website for informational purposes only. Look for links under the video. This indicator has two operating modes, Diamond and Normal mode, and they differ only in the type of trading signals and their frequency on the chart. You can select the required rule for trading in the settings using this parameter. When enabled, there will be Diamond mode, and when disabled, there will be Normal mode. Let's consider each operating principle in more detail. So, the Diamond mode. In this mode, purple diamonds appear under the candles, indicating potential purchases of call options, and yellow diamonds above the candles notify of possible purchases of put options. In this so-called normal mode, the appearance of the signal indicator becomes very similar to the standard parabolic SAR of the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, where in addition to the entry point indicated by a colored diamond, this indicator forms a line following the price bars until they intersect with it. Probably this mode of operation was specially developed for Forex traders to help them effectively accompany open transactions. However, it is this mode that generates more signals on the chart. Our analysts and experts have thoroughly tested this strategy on different time frames and trading assets, and the review article on our website provides detailed information and recommendations for fine-tuning each parameter and each variable of the Supreme Diamond indicators, and also a very interesting explanation of the principle by which the strategy generates signals. Follow the link to the site. You will not regret it. Correctly setting up the indicators of this strategy will allow you to receive only accurate signals for more efficient and safe trading. I would like to note a pleasant highlight of this strategy: an additional basement filter of false signals against the trend, the Supreme Trend Histogram. This tool does its job very clearly and visually warns the trader about a change in trend. And when the histogram has purple bars, this indicates an upward trend, and when yellow, a downward trend. The main levels of this oscillator relative to the zero line are the marks that you see on the screen. This is the range in which you need to buy only call options, and this is the range in which you buy only put options. And the rules of trading for this strategy are very simple. To open a call option first, a purple diamond must appear under the candle. Second, the purple histogram bar is between levels 0, 0.65, and 0.7. Third, at the opening of a new candle, we buy a call option. To open a put option, the following situation must be on the chart. First, a yellow diamond must appear above the candle. Second, the yellow histogram bar is between levels -0.065 to -0.07. Third, at the opening of a new candle, we buy a put option. The expiration time is 3 candles, and choose the time frame depending on the financial instrument and the results of backtesting. Now let's move from theory to practice and find out how the strategy will behave in real life. Let's open 2 charts in MT4 and the same assets in Pocket Option. We are observing. The signals are quite frequent, and here on the minute chart of the euro-dollar, we see a purple rhombus of the oscillator histogram of the same color. At the opening of a new candle, the histogram exceeded the 0.065 mark for a split second. We rush to the Pocket Live account and buy a call option with the recommended expiration of 3 candles. The histogram signal was unstable, barely touching the recommended value of the oscillator, but we hope for the best. Yes, everything immediately went wrong for our bet. The bulls fought desperately, but in the allotted 3 minutes they still failed to cope with the bearish pressure. Alas, alas, we lose $100 on this deal. In this strategy, situations are quite common when a signal appears without being confirmed by the histogram values, so we will try to catch a systemic deal again, at least by the tip of the tail. Here is a new signal for PUT. At the opening of a new candle, the oscillator touches minus 0.065, and we hurry to the broker's platform. We press the sell button to either consolidate the lesson learned earlier in the minus or earn this time on the unstable signal Supreme Diamond. We wait 3 minutes and speed up the chart. This time there was no need to worry. The strategy predicted a great downward impulse and we earned $80. But let's continue our experiment. Here is another call signal on the euro-dollar. The purple diamond is confirmed by a confident growth of the oscillator histogram of the same color. It's time. We go to the broker's platform and buy a call option with an expiration of 3 candles. Yes, we had to worry a little, but the signal did not fail. After the price failed to return to a narrow flat, its growth continued, and we earned another $83. Summing up the acquaintance with the Supreme Diamond strategy, I would like to emphasize that this is a very interesting tool for binary options, deserving the attention of not only beginners, but also experienced traders. However, be sure to conduct any testing of strategies and indicators exclusively on a demo account, not forgetting to comply with the rules of risk management and money management. And also choose only proven brokers, which can be found on our website in our regularly updated rating. Subscribe to our channel, register on our website, and you will be constantly up to date with the latest news from the field of binary options trading, cryptocurrency, and the Forex market. Thank you for your attention. We wish everyone good profit and safe trading.